Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about a unique topic, the sneeze fart explosion. How to clear a room fast. Now, let's be clear, we're not encouraging any harmful or disrespectful behavior. This is just a fun, light-hearted discussion. So, how do you pull off a sneeze fart explosion? It's simple. Just sneeze while you're passing gas. Trust me, it's a surefire way to clear a room in no time. Remember, always be respectful and considerate of others. This is just a fun idea to share with your friends, and we hope you enjoy it as much as we do. Thanks for tuning in. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and entertaining content. See you next time.